Senate President Francis Escudero is assured to retain his post as leader of the esteemed legislative chamber when Congress officially opens session on July 28. Whether unintended or by design, Escudero's actions on the impeachment case filed by the House have won him support from the Duterte 7 bloc. A masterful stroke of politics only a shrewd and seasoned politician can muster. Our Daniel Manalastas fills us in with more.
When asked if the impeachment was a factor in garnering support for Senate President Gis Escudero to remain in his position, according to Senator J.V. Ejercito,
impeachment, sabi ko nga, ano man ang maging position natin dyan, we just have to go through it. No? I don't think it was a factor in choosing the Senate President.
Meanwhile, Senator Ronald De La Rosa has confirmed that the so-called Duterte bloc or Duterte 7 already committed to support the continuation of Escudero's Senate leadership, which composed of De La Rosa himself, Senators Bongo, Robin Padilla, Rodante Marcoleta, Amy Marcos, Camille Villar, and Mark Villar. De La Rosa has yet to confirm if his blockmates already signed a resolution to express support to Escudero, but he confirmed he already signed. However, he clarified that he isn't sure yet if Senator Amy Marcos already committed.
His stand towards impeachment is not a factor to our decision in choosing him as our Senate President. Ang pinaka-big factor dyan na nakikita ko lang talaga is yung pagka-open niya. Nakikinig siya. Lahat ng sides pinapakinggan niya. So yun ang nagustuhan namin na liderato.
Meanwhile, there are reports saying that Senator Bam Aquino and Senator Kiko Pangilinan also supports Escudero. But how will this work with them with the Duterte bloc, which is already known for being critical against each other?
You know, in the Senate, it has been proven time and again, no? Sa umpisa lang na yung political party does not really mean a lot, especially with issues of national significance. We often, more than often than not, that we cross party lines.
Hindi ko alam talaga. Hindi ko alam. Basta I joined the majority not because of them, but because of the leadership of Senate President Gis Escudero.
Meanwhile, Senator Risa Hontiveros, who campaigned for Aquino and Pangilinan during the elections, said,
Hindi ako na-hurt dahil yun na nga sabi ko nga, basta patuloy akong maninindigan. Kung ang bawat isa sa amin ay may sariling diskarte, ako rin naman po, basta nakatutok pa rin ako doon sa layunin na palakasin yung oposisyon.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.